Just wanted to give you time to read the thumbnail in case it was hard to read. I couldn't help but notice, man. I've lost weight and gained a chin. Wanna know how I got these chins? Anyway, got a bit of a story. I got the binder. And here's the kicker. I wasn't even going after these cards, right? What happened? I was doing some accounting. Because I've got me appointment coming up on the 14th. I figure it shouldn't take any more than a month to get a payment come in. I'm not flat broke yet, but I almost am. Like, the coffers are almost completely empty. Things are getting low, but I reckon I should be able to eke 4 weeks. Thereabouts. I can't recall it taking that long. But anyway, I ended up getting, obviously I got the folder, so I got these. Me young mate at the other shop, where I was getting the purple packets, got these in. And I did the Moondara cheese, and this is where the story comes in. I've gone to get the cheese out of the fridge after getting these cards. Well, I had to go all the way down to fucking Coles, which is about two clicks down the fucking road. And I got some soft drink, the cheese, some cigarette papers, because I forgot to get them at the other spot. And that's where I saw the binder for $13, and the binder's got 28 pages. And 28 pages is worth a hell of a lot more than $13. So, yeah. Oh, well, I suppose without further ado, let me open it. We'll have a look at the quality. Then we'll get to the packets. Well, I was looking at folders the other day. $11 just for a 3-ring binder. Nice solid folder, but still, you know, like that was at the post office, or not post, yeah, that was at the newsagent, sorry, not post office. And that's no pages, you know what I mean? That's no pages, and my pages are like, well, it depends where you get them, but, oh yeah? Oh yeah, what's all this? What the heck? What have I got myself into here? A swaps box? Game booklet? What is there? Rules, is there? Okay. Star Power Prize cards. What the hell? I'm not going to have to study, am I? I thought I could just open packets and, like, kind of get high and giddy from opening packets. I didn't want fucking homework. What the? Keep it in good condition. What is that? Oh, that is sick! That is my team! Lions! Fuck yes! It's like they knew I was wanting to buy it. Oh, and they gave me 2. How generous. Oh, that's sick. Okay, what are you meant to do with them? Oh, yeah. The pages are thin, but, you know, it's 28. Oh, cool. What's that? Oh, sick. It's just a checklist, but that's fucking... Oh, that is awesome. That is chromium. Oh, are these all these cards going to be chrome? Oh, Oh, it'd be sick if they are. Alright. I don't know what that is, but anyway. I'll put it back. Oh, that's the only problem. It's going to be difficult getting cards in the corner. Yes, I can... Yes. Yes, I can... I can imagine some cards potentially getting damaged by some impatient little hands trying to squeeze cards in there. Yeah, look, I'm not saying the cards aren't going to go in that one there. In this one. Which probably looks like it's... Oh, no, it's... Yeah, closest to the... That's... Yeah, you'll... Yeah, I would probably put something heavy if you buy one of these and like try and lay that flat a little bit, because that's when the folder's brand new, it's not flat enough. So not saying it's a bad product, but I can see some cards getting damaged by some impatient hands if they're, in too much of a hurry. But otherwise, 13. You're essentially not going to get this product for the same money. Is it worth $13? Yeah, it's worth $13. I wouldn't pay any more though, because it's not as I know that the folders at the other shop are $11, but for $11, it's a bit bigger, bit more room for sheets. So, you'd pretty much just put your chase cards in one of these, I reckon. So, I don't know what I'll do with the commons. But anyway, I'm blabbing. Let's move our camera and get into it. I don't know what the chase cards are. Oh, shit. That's pretty cool that they give you some bonus stuff. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I'll probably just, put... Now, I want... Actually, that might be better to do it like that. Because you going to be... You just need to be able to see them. That should be okay. Yeah, that should be okay. You should be able to see them. Alrighty. Without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh. Oh, no, they're not chromium. Ooh. Oh, no. We had a couple of chromes. Okay, so what have we got here? Oh, cool. So it's like a copy of a Scanlon's card. You can see the poster we saw. So it's, cool. Okay. So that looks like our common rainbow card, like with the AFL stars. Ryan Marshall. Alright. So that looks like a common insert. Caricature card. It's like a playing card. Yeah, very unconventional set. Series A, 41 of 72. Oh, yeah, okay. And this is a chromium. Just want to go through, show you what a packet looks like, rather than just blaze through them and not give you a look. And then we've got what looks like commons. So that looks like to be the common set. Righto, so that appears to be our common set. Camera's cracking on us. So that's our common set. So the chromes seem to be a different set. So we've got our commons by the look of it, chromes, the Scanlan lookalikes, the caricatures, and the rainbow. I'm guessing that's what a packet looks like. I do apologise for taking a little bit, but I just want to get a sense of what's going on. Because I'm a little bit confused. I'm accustomed to just like seeing... yeah, it's just the reprints are a little bit confusing. Alright. I'm pretty sure our rainbow's not a dynamite insert. Not that it got scratched or anything, but... I do apologise. This has been 11 minutes already. Okay. Oh! A silver. Okay, another caricature. Okay. So we have our 2 chromiums. Geelong and St Kilda. No rainbow, so that might be an insert. Silver. So I'll put that up there. Another Scanlan's reprint. Another caricature. And that looks like common. Wait a minute, that's got something written on the bottom of it. That's a double-sided card. Fletcher. There it's got Jasper Fletcher, Lions. And it's got Jasper Fletcher. 04. That's a different card. I think that's part of a premiership set. Yeah, because you look at the back of that card, it's got a jersey on it. And the border of that other card's different too. Oh, well, it's a double-sided card, so I do apologise for the camera. Oh. So they all appear to be... yep, all the commons have got a jersey on the back of them, so that's alright. Maybe if I move it back a little bit. There's our chromiums. So I wonder if that silver one's the same as those. Anyway. Yeah, I'm most likely going to just stick... I really do apologise for the time. Stick the cards in the folder and just do some research. They've only just come out as far as I understand, so... Okay. Cool! I don't know what that is. It's got a code on it, though. Okay, that's got a code on it. No idea what that is. Okay, we've got our commons. Okay. Card with a code of some sort. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a big fan of these fucking things. Yeah. This looks like this is a plastic card of some description. Nick Darkos, scan me. Well, what does it do? Oh, right. Okay. It's a bit strange, but anyway, whatever. It's interesting. Okay, I like the cards. I do like the cards. I just hope there's not too much weird shit like that, you know. And you know what? I've just noticed something. These don't have a rainbow on them. So I don't know if they're meant to be the same. They look the same. Oh, all right, I'm just going to keep an eye out for that. Oh, I'm loving these retro Scanlons though. I've got to be honest. I am liking the look of those. But yeah, I just hope they haven't gone over the fucking top with those scan cards. Like, because that would be a bit of a... just to me, that would be a bit shit. I'm not a heavy phone user. Oh, baby! Oh, I like the look of that. Oh, what? That's awesome. See, action cheering portrait collage, and then you send it in. Oh man, that is sick. That is sick. I love what they've done, man. This is awesome. Well, you never know. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm liking the look of the commons. Yeah, I think I'm going to collect these as well. I'm liking the look of them. They're the same price as the others. The variety of inserts is good. Like, yeah, really, really impressed. I'm really loving the look of these. Well, out of 4 packets, I've only got 2 of those scanny things. So if they're 1 in 2 packets, that's not too bad. And it, you know, if my phone had credit on it, I just have a prepaid for a work phone. I have a computer. I'm not going to go on a spiel. I don't need to be chained to a second device. I'm already chained to this one. So yeah, I wouldn't know if that silver one is really awesome and special. So I apologise for any lack of reaction, because it's the first time I've seen these cards, and I tell you what, I am loving the look of some of these chase cards. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, these chromiums are beautiful. Really, really, really like them. And the commons are good too. Like, they're clean, they're bright. those chromes are nice. Another caricature. So that's 3. So I think the Scanlan redos are 1 in a packet, by the look of it. But that's alright. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I don't think it's serial numbered or anything. Top 10 Adelaide Crows, best and fairest top 10. Huh? I don't know. Some code on the bottom, promo code, I don't know. It's a cool looking card though. Oh, it's a best and fairest. Oh, yeah, I get it. Cool. I'm just going to have a leak. Alright. Then we got a sense of what the cards look like, so. See if we get anything sparkly. Well, I only got 1 rainbow card, so I was wrong about them. The rest have been silver. It looks like a rainbow chromium. Oh, here we go. No, got another one. Okay, so your chromes are at the top of the pack. We're going to caricature. There's another Brisbane. Yeah, that's a premiership set by the look of it. Well, I'm guessing that's going to go with old mate. Yep. There's our commons. So 3 commons. 3 commons, a Scanlan reprint, a caricature. Fuck yeah. Ah, I see. So is that what they mean by game? Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Hey, wouldn't it? That'd be pretty cool. Playing poker with like fucking have a boys' night. Playing poker with actual footy cards. That'd be pretty fucking sick, wouldn't it? Hey? That's fucking cool. They'd have to have Mark Jacko Jackson as the guest appearance for the Joker, wouldn't they? You'd think? I'm an individual, you can't fool me. He was alright, it was pretty good value, old Jacko, wild boy. Yeah, nice. And here's our second rainbow in 7 or so packets. So yeah, they look nice. Yeah, 1 in 7. I don't think I'm going to spend 10,000 going for this fucking set. It was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 packs left. I got 10, so that's 2 in 6. But as they say, the odds aren't guaranteed. So just because I've pulled 2 in 6 doesn't mean that's the actual odds of those cards, as you guys know, because you're smart cookies. I did show you the last lot of cards like this, didn't I? I think I did. I might not have. I apologise if I didn't. I'm slipping. I may have had a me moment there. I think I did. Now that I recall, I think I... Oh, well, I did show you in the end. Show and tell. Oh, mate, I'm loving these chromiums. They're nice and clean. Oh, these silvers look nice too. Yeah, these are good cards. I'm quite happy with these. Nice. We're another one. Well, I don't know if it's a crazy pull, but anyway. Nice looking card anyway. Almost dropped it. Enter code. Star Power Silver game. Okay. Prize cards to win. Oh, cool. I can go .com.au. Okay, I'll look at that later. Cool. I'm glad I paused to have a look. But how does that work? Star Power Silver game. Oh, I'll have to have a look. I'll have to check it out later. Yeah, nice chromiums. Nice. Oh, love it. Look at that. Fuck yeah. This is awesome. Oh, yeah. Another one of those. Hey, I love the commons, man. They look good. Oh, fuck yeah. Fucking hell, mate. Another card craft. Oh, yeah, caricature. Yep. 4 commons. Oh, no. I don't want to do that. The scaling cards pop out. You can take that border off, that orange border. A little bit of the corner popped off, and I just popped it back into place. It's not damaged, but yeah, no, I don't want to be doing that. Lucky last packet. Well, there we go. Oh, was this the border from the orange card? Oh, that feels thick. Oh! Bruh. Come on, camera. You fucking piece of shit. Here we go. How sick is that? Nice. Oh, I just love it sparkly, how sparkly it is. Nice. Then we got our awesome retro card. And out. There it comes. Chromium. Yeah, I'm loving the cards, man. I'm loving this set. A little confusing because there's so many different types, but yeah, I'm liking them. I do apologise for taking so long with just 10 packets and the shitty camera. Oh well, yeah. If you get into them, good luck collecting them. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I can see myself getting into them. I've got to work out a few things, but I like them. All right, too easy. Stay safe and take care, and I'll see you around the traps.